In this video, I will be showing you how you can make money while playing games. All you need is your smartphone, computer, or laptop, and don't worry, this method is absolutely free and available worldwide. And you can do it without any previous experiences or skills. Trust me, it's very easy. Make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you extra tips on how you will be able to earn double or even triple with these free gaming apps and websites. So, pay close attention and follow all the steps I'm giving you in this video. Welcome to Make Money Kimball. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe because I upload videos on how to make money and I will be doing giveaways in the future, so subscribe to enter. Now let's get into the video. Mistplay is an Android application where you can earn points for playing and sometimes for testing new mobile games. The longer you play a game and the more games you play, the more points you'll earn. You can cash in your points for PayPal Cash or choose from a variety of gift cards. Mistplay is a well-known, well-regarded option. Among apps that pay you to play games, it's the top of the line, thanks to its wide range of options and its reputation for paying users as promised. Unfortunately, it does not currently offer an iPhone version. Mistplay is only available for Android devices via the Google Play Store. Once you have reached the number of Mistplay units necessary for a specific gift card, then you can redeem it for Visa, Amazon, Xbox, Nintendo, and eBay gift cards. You just need to click on Buy and you'll receive your gift card in your email. You can expect to receive your gift card within 48 hours of placing the order. Your gift card is sent to you through your email, so that's where you should look for it once 48 hours have passed. Number 2. SWAGBUCKS. SWAGBUCKS is one of the most comprehensive money-making websites around. Members can earn free gift cards for things like answering surveys, watching videos, shopping, and playing a variety of games. SWAGBUCKS offers a handful of free games, but most of them only pay pennies. In the example screenshot below, the available games pay up to 10 SBs, which is equivalent to 10 cents. The better way to make money playing games on the site is by logging into your account and navigating to the Discover section, where you'll find an assortment of promotional offers. There, you can usually find a handful of free desktop and mobile games that offer achievement bonuses. For example, in the screenshot below, you can see that the game raid, Shadow Legends, will pay you 3,000 SBs 30 in value for reaching certain in-game milestones. Game developers know that dedicated players spend the most money on in-game purchases. They're hoping that if you play the game long enough, you'll become invested and choose to buy items and upgrades. Number 3. INBOXDOLLARS. INBOXDOLLARS features about 30 web-based arcade games that pay out a few cents per play. You'll find a few familiar titles like Solitaire, as well as simple puzzle and action games like Monkey Bubble Shooter, which is a color stacking game. You can also join World Winner through the site. World Winner runs cash tournaments for games like Spades, Wheel of Fortune, and Plinko. However, the World Winner promotion on INBOXDOLLARS is cash back, not a true money-making opportunity. You'll earn up to 2% back on every $1 spent in cash tournament entry fees. You can learn more about how this works in our INBOXDOLLARS review coming in the future. Like many of the other gaming sites on this list, there are several ways to earn real money with INBOXDOLLARS, including reading emails, answering surveys, and watching videos. And you can watch ads. Once you've reached the $35 minimum cash out amount, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, gift card, or a couple of other options. INBOXDOLLARS will pay you 1 cent for every coupon you print up to 25 per day and 10 cents for every coupon you redeem in store. There's no limit to how much you can earn from redeeming coupons, but if you redeem only 25 coupons on your next supermarket run, you'll make $2.6. Number 4. Twitch. If you want to become a paid game player, Twitch, which is a video streaming service owned by Amazon and aimed at gamers, is one of the most realistic options. There are a few ways you can make money live streaming yourself playing games on Twitch. One way is by adding a donation button to your channel, similar to Patreon donations for podcasters. Viewers can tip players with an online currency called bits, which are earned by watching ads. They can also be purchased. If viewers want to tip you, they type "Cheeks" into the chat window, replacing 20 with the number of bits they wish to tip. Twitch viewers can subscribe to your channel just like YouTube viewers can subscribe to content creator channels. Once you have at least 500 subscribers, you can apply to become a Twitch partner. If approved as a partner, you'll earn about $2.5 per month for each new subscriber. Again, like YouTube, you can also earn ad revenue on your channel. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe for more ways to make money.